So guys, let's get started. So today is experiment 8. So pangwalong experiment na natin to. So tinatawag itong actual application using logic gate. So yung logic gate guys, ipa-apply natin to sa mga bagay-bagay sa mga kagamitan natin. So ito yung mga dapat natin sagutan. So we have three different problem here na nakikita nyo sa screen. And first na ating sasagutan is a locker has been rented in a bank, and express the process of opening the locker in terms of digital operation, and draw the equivalent circuit and truth table. Use Logisim and Logisim for simulation. So dito guys, parang i-apply natin yung logic gate and nagawa natin siya ng truth table and circuit. Sa to naman, drew the truth table and circuit to realize each expression using AND gate, OR gate, and inverter. So, you use any software simulation. So, gagawa tayo ng truth table dito sa mga Boolean expression na nakikita nyo sa screen at gagawa din natin siya ng circuit. And, ayan, may 4 na Boolean expression tayong gagawa ng truth table at circuit. And next is number 3. So, same lang siya sa number 1. So, a bulb in a staircase has 2 switches. One switches being at the ground floor and the other one at the first floor. The bulb can be turned on and also can be turned off by one of the switches irrespective of the state of the other switch. The logic switching of the bulb resembles. Express the process in terms of digital operation. Use software simulation and draw the schematic diagram and truth table. So, let's proceed na sa ating number 1 question. Let's go. So guys, let's proceed sa number 1. So, andito na yung mga dapat natin i-discuss, yung truth table na AND gate and yung picture ng two-way locker. So, sa two-way locker guys na nasa screen nyo is having two kinds of locker, which is passcode and deadbolt lock. So, ang input A natin dito guys is yung passcode, which is yung nasa owner. Yung nasa iyo lang yung password. And then yung deadbolt lock is makukuha mo lang siya sa bank manager or yung nagmamanage ng mga susi. So, ito yung input B natin. So, dito yung truth table ng AND gate as scenario natin. Gagawin natin siya ng scenario. So, let's go. So, yung first scenario dito guys is wala sa'yo yung passcode and wala rin sa'yo yung susi para sa deadbolt lock. So, the output will be lock kasi wala sa'yo yung susi at yung passcode. Hindi mo siya mabubuksan. And scenario 2 is yung passcode is alam mo and then yung susi is wala sa'yo, hindi mo siya nakuha sa bank manager. So the output will be lock pa din. Hindi mo siya mabubuksan kasi nga gumamit tayo ng passcode lang. Wala sa atin yung susi. And next scenario is wala sa'yo yung passcode and yung susi lang yung nasa'yo. So, yung output natin is nakalock pa din kasi wala sa'yo yung passcode. Ang meron lang sa'yo yung susi. Since two-way to guys, hindi mo siya mabubuksan. So, fourth scenario is nasa'yo yung passcode and then yung nasa'yo rin yung susi ng deadbolt lock. So, the output will be open. Ma-open mo yung two-way locker. So, makukuha mo na yung nasa loob, yung nasa laman ng locker mo. So, papakita ko sa inyo yung logic gate using Logisim. Let's go. So, ayun guys, nandito na tayo sa Logisim na application, nasa simulator. So, naka-ready na siya guys. Andito na yung AND gate and 2 inputs and yung output natin. So, yung input A natin is yung passcode, di ba? At yung input B natin is yung deadbolt lock, which is yung kailangan na susi. So, input A is 0, 0, which is wala nga sa'yo, di ba? And wala rin sa'yo yung susi ng deadbolt lock. So, the output will be, papalitan natin siya, di ba? So, the output will be lock, 0. And then, in the second scenario, guys, is nasa iyo yung password pero wala sa iyo yung susi ng deadbolt lock. So, ang output natin is nakalock pa din. Hindi natin makukuha yung nasa loob. And then, third scenario is wala sa iyo yung, nakalimutan mo yung passcode pero nasa iyo yung susi. So, the output will be lock pa din. And then, fourth scenario is nasa iyo yung passcode and then nasa iyo rin yung susi. So, the output will be open. Makukuha mo na yung nasa loob. So, that's it. Proceed na tayo sa number 2, guys. Let's go. Okay, guys. Let's proceed to letter Y. So, here's the Boolean expression of Y na nasa left side na screen natin. And nasa right side natin is yung material na dapat natin gagamitin sa letter Y. So, let's get started. So, not A, okay? Connect natin. Papuntang input A ng AND gate. Then, B. Then, kabilang parenthesis naman is yung input A papuntang dito. And then, not B. Okay, kailangan niya ng inverter. Then, connect it to B. So, since OR gate siya, kukonect natin siya dito. And, so, may isang inverter dito, guys. Kukonect natin. Bale, tatlong inverter yung ginamit natin. Then, connect it to output. So, let's try to simulate. So, as you can see, guys, parehas sila ng Boolean expression sa ating left side and right side na screen. So, yan. Ibig sabihin, tama yung ginawa nating circuit. So, ang truth table naman niya is 0, 0, the output will be 1, 0, 1, output will be 0. The input A will A, 1, and input B is 0, the output will be 0. Input A, 1, input B, 1, the output will be 1. So, yun yung truth table ng letter Y, Boolean expression. Let's proceed to next example. So, let's proceed to number 2, Z. So, andito yung Boolean expression ng Z sa ating left side sa screen. And ito yung materials natin na gagamitin for letter Z. So, we have 3 inputs na. A, B, and C. So, and we have 3 inverters. 1, 2, 3. And we have 2 AND gate. 1, 2, and 1 output. And which is Z. So, try na natin using Logisim ang circuit Z. So, let's go. First is A, input A, ko-connect natin sa OR gate. Okay? Next is input B, ko-connect natin sa OR gate. Okay, and letter C has inverter. So, connect natin yung letter C sa inverter. And then, connect natin siya sa another OR gate. And, Kukonect natin yung output para may connections output ng unang OR gate sa pangalawang OR gate para may connection sila. Yan. Connect ko na. Next parenthesis is A. Okay. Kukonect natin siya sa pangatlong OR gate. Next is not B. So, kailangan natin ng inverter. So, connect natin dito. And then, papuntang input B. Next is not A. So, kailangan niya ng inverter. So, kulang pala ako ng isang OR gate. So, yun. Kukonect na natin siya. Diyan. And papuntang A. Next natin is B. Papuntang B. Next is letter C. Yan, kukonect na natin. And then, dapat may connection yung pang-apat na OR gate papuntang pang-limang OR gate. Then, pagkokonikin natin yung OR gate, pangalawang OR gate papuntang AND gate. Then, yung pangatlong AND gate is papuntang input B ng AND gate. Yun. And then, ito, yung pang-lima, is kukonect natin dito sa input B ng pangalawang AND gate. And then, yung output ng unang AND gate is kukonect natin sa pangalawang AND gate. Like this. So, yun. And then, connect na natin sa output. Then, tapos na natin yung circuit by using this Boolean expression. And then, let's try to analyze the circuit. So, as you can see guys, pareha sila ng Boolean expression. And, tama yung ginawa nating circuit. So, ginaya lang natin siya. Ito yung nagsilbing guide natin. And sa truth table naman is, ito yun. We have 3 inputs and 1 output. So, first is 0, 0. The output 1 is 1. 0, 0, 1. The output is 0. 0, 1, 0 is output is 0. 0, 1, 1 is 0. 1, 0, 0 is 0. 1, 0, 1 is 1. 1, 1, 0 is 1. 1, 1, 1. The output will be 1. So, ayan yung Boolean expression ay yung truth table na ating circuit. And let's proceed to third Boolean expression. Let's go. So guys, let's get started to letter W. And here's the Boolean expression of W. And here's the materials that we need for W. So let's proceed. So we're going to follow this truth table. So input A will be connected to input A of AND gate. So yung B is ko-connect natin sa input B ng AND gate. So tapos na natin to. So let's connect the output of AND gate papuntang input A. Ito. So, yan, nakunik ko na. So, next naman natin gawin is yung not C. So, we need to connect to inverter. And then, connect to OR gate. So, tapos na natin yung gawin yung circuit. Let's try to simulate. So, as you can see, parehas ng Boolean expression yung nasa ating simulation and yung nasa left side natin na Boolean expression, which is yung example natin. So, tama yung ating circuit. So, doon naman tayo sa truth table. So, we have 3 inputs again. So, A, B, C. 0, 1, 1. 0, 0, 0 is the output is 1. And 0, 0, 1, the output will be 0. 0, 1, 0, the output will be 1. 0, 1, 1, the output will be 0. 1, 0, 0 is 1. 1, 0, 1 is 0. 1, 1, 0 is 1. 1, 1, 1 is 1. So that's the truth table of W. So let's proceed to last Boolean expression example. Let's go. So guys, let's proceed to letter X Boolean expression, the last example. So sa left side guys is yung Boolean expression ng X na ating susundan. And dito sa right side is yung materials na gagamitin natin for X. So let's get started. So not A. So kailangan nyo ng inverter. So connect natin. Then connect natin sa AND gate. Input A na AND gate. Naka-connect guys. Then next is letter B. Yan, connected na. And the next is A. Connected siya sa pangalawang AND gate sa input A. Then next is not B. So kailangan nyo ng inverter. Then connect it to input B of AND gate na ito. Next is may inverter siya each parenthesis, which mean ko-connect natin siya sa inverter. Then pagtapos nun is ko-connect na natin siya sa ating OR gate. Since na-connect na natin guys, connect na natin siya sa output. Once na na-connect nyo na guys, let's try to analyze the circuit. So as you can see guys, yung ating Boolean expression dito is tugma sa dito sa ating sample na X Boolean expression. So ito naman tayo sa truth table. So we have two inputs lang, A and B. So 0, 0, output is 1, 0, 1, output is 1, 1 and 0, output is 1, or high, input A and input B is 1, so the output will be 1. So yan po yung truth table ng circuit X. So proceed na tayo sa number 3 guys. Let's go. Thank you. So okay guys, let's proceed to number 3 and let's read the description. So a bulb in a staircase has two switches. So one switch being at the ground floor which is here, and the other one at the first floor, here. And the bulb can be turned on and also can be turned off by one of the switches irrespective of the state of the other switch. So, ang naiisip ko dito is SOR gate. Kasi kapag yung isa, pwede mo siyang buksan using one switch, guys. And if you use two switch, magto-turn off yung bulb natin. So, ang naisip kong yung SOR gate as example for logic gate. So, let's try to Logisim. So guys, ito na yung SOR gate na example natin. So, connect na natin. So, okay, let's go. Let's try to analyze. So, yung truth table ng SOR gate is if the switch is turned off, two switch is turned off, the lights will be turned off. And if the switch B is turned on, the light will be on, and the first floor will be switch in first floor is turned on, and the ground floor is turned off. The output will be 1 or turn on the light. And if the ground and first floor will be turned on, the light bulb is turned off because you turn on the switches. So that's my idea for this question, and I hope that you learn from me about actual application using logic gate. So thank you and goodbye. Let's go.